Welcome to C programming tutorial. In the previous lectures, we have studied about how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression. In today's lecture, we are going to study about how to convert an infix expression into prefix expression. So, these are the following steps that we follow to convert an infix expression into prefix expression. So, first we reverse our expression. That is, we have given an infix expression like a plus b into c plus d. So we will reverse it. On reversing it, we will get d plus c into b plus a. This is our reverse expression. After that, we compute the postfix expression of this infix expression. Actually, we have already studied about how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression, so we will use that algorithm to convert it into the postfix expression, and after that again we reverse the expression. The result which we have get after computing it into the postfix expression, we will again reverse that result to convert it into the prefix expression. So now let's discuss it by an example. So here's the example: a plus b into c minus d divided by e exponent f into g. So we will start scanning it from left to right. Firstly, we will convert it into reverse order. So here's first we convert it into reverse order: g and then f exponent e divided by d, then minus c into b plus a. This is the reverse order of this infix expression. After that, we start scanning it from left to right. So firstly, we encounter the left parenthesis, we will add it here, add it into the stack, and the postfix expression will be empty. Again and left parenthesis, so we will add it here, add it into the stack, and the postfix expression is empty. After that, we encounter the g operand, so the stack will be as it is and postfix expression as g. After that, a multiplication operator, so it will be added into the stack and the postfix expression will be as it is. After that, a left parenthesis, so left parenthesis will be added into the stack, postfix expression will be as it is. Again, a f operand, so f operand will be added into the postfix expression, stack will be as it is, so gf. After that, exponential operator, so exponential operator will be added into the stack, postfix expression will be as it is. Again, a e operand, so e operand, the stack will be as it is and postfix expression has g also. Again, a division operator, so division operator has less precedence than the exponential operator, so exponential operator will be popped out and the stack will become this, and exponential operator is added into the postfix expression. After that, again a d operand, so d will be added here, the stack will be as it is, and g f e exponent d will be the postfix expression. After that, a right parenthesis, so right parenthesis, when we add a right parenthesis, it will pop out the stack till the left parenthesis, so the stack will be this, g t, and division operator. Again, a minus operator, so minus, so here's multiplication operator has higher precedence than the minus operator, so minus operator will be added and multiplication operator will be popped out, the division and the multiplication operator. Again, c, so c will be added here, the stack will be as it is and c will be added into the postfix expression. Again, a multiplication operator, so multiplication operator has higher precedence than the minus operator, so nothing will happen here and the postfix expression will be as it is. Again, a b operand, so b will be added here, the stack will be as it is and b will be added into the postfix expression. Again, a right parenthesis, so on right, adding a right parenthesis, it will pop out the stack till the left parenthesis till here. So multiplication operator and minus operator will be added into the postfix expression. Again a plus operator, so plus will be added here, it will be added into the stack, and the postfix expression will be as it is. Again a A operand, so A will be added here, the stack will be as it is, and the postfix expression as A added. After that we encounter the right parenthesis, so right parenthesis, it will pop out the stack to the left parenthesis, and the stack will be empty now, and the plus operator will be added into the postfix expression. So here's the postfix expression, and now we will reverse it to convert into the prefix expression. So reverse order will be minus into BC into divided by G exponent E F G. So here's the result. This will be the desired prefix expression. So that's all for today. We have converted an infix expression into prefix expression. In the next lecture, we are going to study how to convert a prefix expression into postfix expression directly. If you have any queries about this lecture, you can comment it into the comment box, and if you want to have the source code of this infix to prefix conversion, you can also comment it into the comment box. Thank you.